using non-calculator skills, part 2, and we are going to use chunking and partitioning and use of a number line to subtract this time using mental math methods. Okay, so we've got 521 take away 184, and the first thing I'm going to do is partition the 184 into 3 separate numbers. So let me show you what I mean. Okay, we know that in 184 we have got 100, we know we have 80, and we have 4. Okay, so if I was to add those 3 numbers together, we would get the 184. Okay, so we start here with the 521 in the sum. And what we would do first of all is take off the 100 first of all. And that would give me 421. So we've completed that part. And then you would remove the 80, which would take you down to 341. So we've removed the 80, and now we need to remove the 4, and that takes us down to 337. Okay. Now it may be that when you get to the stage here, where you jump across the 100 mark, you might find you tend to make mistakes that way. So a tip here is if we go to use a number line, so if we started off with 521, when we subtract on a number line, it can be easier if you use a vertical number line, an up and down number line, because when we subtract, you go down. If we were adding, you would go up. Okay, so removing the 100, that's not so bad. Let's take that one off first. This isn't in scale, by the way, and that takes us down to 421. Okay, we know we now need to remove 80. So if we did it 10 at a time, if we did 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, we know that in that distance we will have removed the 80. Okay, and then we can have a look step by step. 421 goes to 411, 401, 391, 381, 371, 361, 351, so they go 341, okay, which tallies in with what we've got over here. Okay, good. And then to remove the 4, again, you might make a mistake of going across the 40 mark. So we could then say, this time we were moving 10 at a time. So if we went 1 at a time, this time we go 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So that's 340, 339, 338, and 337. Okay, so that is where a number line can improve your accuracy if you tend to do things a little bit too quickly. And that's subtraction using chunking or partitioning and using a number line.